Ahoy, matey!
Welcome back. We're in the garage tonight, kind of goofing around with this truck we picked up over the weekend. I'm going to do a couple of things to it. It's a 2005 Chevy Silverado extended cab. This is a two-wheel drive, automatic transmission. And as you can see from the thumbnail, it has just a few miles on it. So the truck runs really well. The transmission was rebuilt about 60,000 miles ago, so that made me feel better about it. Axle is quiet. The engine runs well. It does have a little bit of bearing noise, wheel bearing noise, I think, in the left front. So I've got some wheel bearings coming for it. We'll do a video on those, show you how to replace those. So basically what I'm gonna do on this truck is show you what I look at when I buy something old, what it's typically gonna need, like wiper blades, oil changes, or oil change, not changes, service the axle. We may put some shocks on it, things like that. So just kind of get it up to speed and get some interior cleanup work done. I'm going to rebuild the driver's seat. Obviously, after that many miles, the seat foam has collapsed. The seat itself is in decent shape, but you're sitting kind of low in it. It's not super comfortable. So I've already got the stuff coming for that. So anyway, tail lights, got to put some tail lights in it. Tail lights have some problems. So. But anyway, general things, not difficult things and not expensive things you can definitely do to improve your truck, and so follow along. Check out these tires. Got lucky on the tires. They are almost new. They all match, knee deep in tread. So I got lucky on that part. Not buying tires. Well, that gives you a pretty good overview of the outside, so I'll give you some interior shots here. It's not bad at all. Normally the seat is all tore up here from sliding out of the truck. That's going to be true for all of these trucks pretty much. So it's really not bad at all. There's the mileage, 451, 328. So yeah, door panels are in decent shape. Everything works. Power windows, power locks, keyless entry, cold AC, hot heat. Still has the factory radio, which is kind of hard to believe, but steering wheel's not falling apart. A lot of times these leather covers will have peeling spots and coming apart. So, I mean, for what it is, the interior is not bad at all. So obviously when you're looking at an old truck like this, you want to do the obvious checks. You know, check the oil, check the transmission fluid, see if there's coolant in the overflow tank, see if there's any apparent leaks. This is going to be pretty indicative of a 20-year-old truck, 25-year-old truck. You know, it's going to have some leaks and things like that. But you know, as long as it's not pouring fluid out from underneath it. I parked this in the garage last night and I found one drop of oil underneath it this morning. So it's going to need belts. I'll check the idler pulley, the tensioners, AC and main belt tensioner. Probably will need those. They usually do. So yeah, just do a pretty good visual check under the hood, fluid checks and so forth. So one thing I've got to do tonight, I've got to get some bulbs in this light. I drilled some holes in that this morning. As you see, it was full of water, and that got the bulbs and the spare tire carrier. Sorry about the flip-flop noise here. The spare tire carrier is jammed up. I'm going to pull that out and see if I can get that fixed and functioning and get this spare tire out of the bed. So stay tuned for future episodes. As parts come in, we will start doing more work and make this a nicer truck. Thanks for watching.